Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install VS Code latest version on Kali Linux 2025.4 Purple Edition. Okay, first verify whether we have the VS Code comes as the default application or not. So you don't have VS Code, now open the default web browser that comes with Kali Linux Purple Edition, that is Firefox. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. We have to download .debian package for the Kali Linux, or click on this download or download for Linux, both are same. Then select this .debian package. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 109 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See, here we have the code Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i code, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the SOC user. Hit enter. Add Microsoft APT repository for Visual Studio Code. Select S by using left or right arrows from your keyboard. Select S and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now go to application menu, then search for code. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Close this one. The otherwise, go to terminal. Just type code on the terminal and hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code application. Okay, so we have successfully installed. ls. This file is not recorded anymore, so remove it. rm code, then press the tab. Hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version on Kali Linux 2025.4 Purple Edition. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.